All right, welcome back, cooking my way through half a cow. Now in this week's episode, I'm gonna be cooking the rump steak out of that 1/8 box from Farmer to Fridge. And I've been smashing down a Flipside energy, so I'm a bit G'd up, and I'm thinking I'm just gonna wing it. I'm gonna cook it off the fly, inside on the frying pan. It's gonna be my lunch, so let's get it done nice and quick, nice and simple. And yes, I've been listening. My previous episodes that I've cooked steak, people have been hanging for me to cook an egg with my steak and eat it with my chips. So I'll cook an egg just to keep everybody happy as well. Good. Now salt. Flip the shit. Let that shit rest. Need some garlic. That's enough. Look at that one fucking boom, straight out. In the pan. Couple of these motherfuckers, pull off the spider webs. Alright, garlic, rosemary. Pull that one up. And then that. Quick drinks break. Makes you move at warp speed. Bit of parsley. This is for the end to go on top. Not going in there yet. I'm not throwing any steak, any pepper. Just nice and basic. That shit goes aside. Chippies. Don't need that one because I'm not a fat cunt. Chips. Straight in the air fryer. Got some organic olive oil, boom. Now I'm going to use some of the chicken and chips from Aussie Barbecue up there in Queensland. Give that shit a shake. Straight in the air fryer. "10 minutes. That'd be simple. Now, steak. I want butter. Lots of butter. All right, chips are in the air fryer. I've got my steak sitting and waiting. It'll take about 5 minutes, then I'll put the steak over heat. Once the steak's finished, the chips will pretty much be done at the same time, then I'll be able to quickly smash that egg onto the pan. That'll then absorb a lot of the flavor left over from the steak as well. And at the end of the day, everybody knows you don't make friends with salad, so having a perfect ratio of 2 rump steaks to a small amount of chips, you can't go wrong. Let's go.